Welcome back, everyone. It's fantastic to see so many of you returning for our second session. And if you're joining for the first time, a huge welcome to you. Last time, we talked about the what and why of computers. Today, we're popping the hood open to see what's inside. We'll get a bit more technical, but I promise we'll keep it simple and fun. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's a great time to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Remember last week when we talked about system specifications? Have you ever gone computer shopping and felt lost with terms like 8 gigabytes RAM or 512 gigabytes SSD? What does that even mean? Well, today, we're going to decode all of it. By the end of this video, you'll understand what makes a computer fast or slow, and you'll learn some mouse and keyboard tricks that will save you time every single day. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about hardware versus software. Think of it like a person. Hardware is the body, the brain, the hands, the eyes. You can physically touch it. Software is the mind, the thoughts and skills. You can't touch a thought, but it's what makes the body do useful things. Your phone is hardware. Its operating system and apps are software. They need each other to work. Okay, let's look at the three most important parts for performance. First, the CPU, or central processing unit. It's the computer's brain. A faster CPU means the computer can think faster. Next is RAM, which is like your short-term memory or your office desk. The more RAM you have, the more things you can work on at once without slowing down. But when you turn off the computer, RAM forgets everything, which is why it's called short-term memory. Finally, there's storage. This is your filing cabinet where you keep everything permanently: photos, documents, and games. Unlike RAM, it remembers everything even when the power is off. Now, let's quickly touch on input and output devices. Input devices are how you talk to the computer, like your keyboard, mouse, and microphone. Output devices are how the computer talks back to you, like your monitor, printer, and speakers. Let's play a quick game. I'll name a device, and you type I for input or O for output in the comment. Ready? First up, scanner. Next, projector. And third, touchscreen. Use the comment to share your thoughts, e.g. printer, O, etc. Now, let's master the mouse. The left button is for selecting and opening things. A single click selects an icon. A fast double click opens it. Try it. Click, click, not click, click. The right button is your secret weapon. Right-clicking an icon brings up a menu with extra options like copy, rename, or delete. If you're ever unsure what you can do, just right-click it. Finally, let's learn 5 shortcuts that will change your life. Hold the Control key and press another key. Control plus C to copy. Control plus V to paste. Control plus X to cut. Made a mistake? Control plus Z is your best friend. It undoes your last action. And always remember to save your work with Control plus S. Fantastic work today. We've covered a lot. You can watch the full tutorial using the link in the description below. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. Thank you for your amazing participation. Join me next week, Wednesday at 5 p.m. Nigerian time, where we'll dive into file management. See you then.